going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chunky! I didn't say.
Eat your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day so far. Got a good one. Judge Rosie Gonzalez out of Texas. Yeah, she can sometimes be a firecracker. She doesn't put up with much. So, yeah, this guy's teeth hurt, so he can't comply with his court orders. Just watch how she handles it. All right, before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
Not logged on.
Okay, I'm just going to give him a warning. He either comes into compliance in the next 48 hours, or it's going to be a revocation. So he needs to get in front of the V cart.
Get in front of the TV, sir. Stand in front of it. You can come in. Go through the door. Go through those. Yes, sir. Go in front of the TV.
Okay, well, let's get on the record in case number 637555 in the matter state of Texas versus Patrick Dominic Galloway, and he is present in the courtroom. This is a compliance hearing. We also have our CLO, Officer Martinez, present, as well as Jessica Thompson, the state's assistant district attorney. And Mr. Galloway, you need not say anything. This is a hearing to warn you that you either start complying with my court orders the way I tell you to do things, because you don't get to do probation your way, Mr. Galloway. Take those sunglasses off your head. Whatever you have on your head, what is it? Nothing? Okay. It looked like you had sunglasses on. Mr. Galloway, you don't get to do probation your way. You get to do it the way I ordered you to do it. And you were ordered to submit to UA tests, and you don't get to say, I'm not submitting. You got 48 hours to start getting into 100% compliance with your probation, or I've instructed CLO Martinez to go forward with your motion, with the state's motion to revoke your probation and adjudicate you guilty, and you can go and stay at the Bexar County Jail for a year, up to a year, and I could fine you up to $4,000. It's your choice. You got 48 hours, sir. Understood? Do you understand, Mr. Galloway?
Oh, understood, Judge. Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Do you understand what happens in 48 hours if you're not in full compliance with your probation, correct?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Okay, with that understanding, Officer Martinez, any questions or anything else you want to put on the record?
Yes, Your Honor. He has failed to submit a UA since May 31st, and he is supposed to be getting dental treatment because that's the only thing that's holding him up from being admitted to SADF. I believe that he's putting off that dental treatment so he doesn't have to go to SADF. How are we going to get him into compliance in 48 hours?
He seems to be speaking just fine. He doesn't seem to be in any pain. Is that the requirement from SADF that he go get?
All right. So this is kind of interesting. He couldn't go to treatment because he needed dental work. It's just kind of wild to me, but it's kind of funny at the same time. All right, let's go.
Dental care, or is that something he says he needs to get done?
It was part of the medical screening. He has to have oral surgery, but he refused it with the provider that was.
Okay. You know what? I'm not playing games with him. He can either go to the dentist within the next 48 hours and do what he was told to do, or he can come back and we're going to take him into custody and he can serve his time at the Bexar County Jail. It's all up to you, Mr. Galloway. You control your destiny.
Okay.
You can either make choices that'll bring you into custody, or you can do you've been told to do.
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, this has been ongoing since November. So
yeah, he's reached his last 48 hours. He either gets done what he needs to get done in the next 2 days. Honestly, I'm not concerned with any excuse like, I don't have the money to do this, Judge. You know why, Mr. Galloway? Because you've had since November to take care of this. And there's plenty of community providers out there that can give you either a discount, or you could walk in and get free dental care. It's all on you. I didn't create these facts, Mr. Galloway. You did. I'm done with you being a victim of anything.
All right. I think we all picked up on what she was putting down. You can walk in and get free dental care. Yeah, she's talking about, if you go to jail, you'll get your dental care taken care for free, or at least for free on him. Taxpayers still pay for it, so it's not free. But that's what she's putting down. And Miss Martinez really wants to just send him to jail. She's fed up with this guy. So he has 48 hours to get dental care and then get into his facility because he can't enter the facility without getting dental care. That's a tall order. That's a tall order. Unless he already has a dental appointment on the books, it is hard to get a dentist appointment that day unless you're a regular customer at the dentist and you call for an emergency. That's difficult.
You are the perpetrator in this case. You are the accused. You are the defendant. Now, either you get your act together in the next 48 hours, and that means taking care of your dental so you can go into SATF, or you don't. And if you don't, let me be very crystal clear with you. We're going to have a hearing. I'm going to look at how you complied or didn't comply with your conditions of probation. And if you did not do what you were supposed to do, then I have the discretion to sentence you up to 1 year at the Bexar County Jail, fine you up to $4,000, and you could lose your Second Amendment constitutional right to bear firearms, have guns, and handle ammunition indefinitely. We've made the record. He knows now what he needs to do. And that's where we're at, Officer Martinez.
Can I speak? Am I allowed to speak, Judge?
I suggest you not speak. You don't have a lawyer.
Yeah, but we really want you to speak. Please say something. Please say something. All right, there's only about a minute left of this video. I'm going to let it play out. You guys all have a great rest of your day. If you haven't hit that like button, please do so. Until next time, bye.
Oh, okay. Well,
I'm not your lawyer. You do what you want. So
Okay.
you want to say something, go ahead.
Well, it's just that CLO Martinez is saying that I've been putting off the dental thing. I've actually been providing paperwork stating everything that I've been doing step by step to get this dental thing taken care of.
Okay, you got 48 hours. You got 48 hours to get it taken care of, Mr. Galloway, period. I don't care what Officer Martinez says. And at this point, I don't care what you say. What I know is a fact and not an opinion is that you've been out there flapping in the wind for over 6 months, not complying. That's what I know right now. It's not disputed. You're not even disputing it. So you got 48 hours, Mr. Galloway. Everyone's excused. I'll get ready for what is it now? The 3 o'clock matter.